Is making money online fast? If you are wondering how to make money online, it is important for you to stay away from get-rich-quick schemes. For example, there are some people who may recommend online business ideas that claim you can make money from home overnight. Even though there are lots of ways to earn money online, you need to keep your wits about you, as people who promise that you can make millions of dollars in just a few days are probably trying to take advantage of you. Instead, it is important to focus on legitimate ways to make money, such as social media content creation. Even though you do need to be careful as you are looking for ways to make passive income from home, there are plenty of amazing ideas out there. If you are wondering how to make money online, you need to focus on what you are already good at. You have talents that a lot of other people would love to have, and you need to lean on them. If you would like to make money online, do not hesitate to try out a few ideas, and remember that there are people who are willing to help you put together a cohesive strategy that you can use to make money on your schedule from home with a solid internet connection.